Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your time zone on your Atlassian account. So what you want to do once you're inside your account, you want to either click your account settings right here on the front or click your profile on the upper right hand side and click on account settings here. Now, once you're here under your profile and visibility, you want to scroll down to the bottom to where you'll find local time. And once you hover over that, it's going to show you that you need to manage your time here. So click on this link here. It's going to take you right over to this section, really, to your account preferences. So whichever where you want to click, you can either go to the profile here, just simply click on the account preferences. And here you have the option right here to change your time zone. So you can click on that and you can type whatever time zone you want. So you can type, I'm going to type, for example, Prague, and I'm going to select this option here to set my time zone. And there you can see it's immediately updated, and that's how I basically set my time zone. So if I go back to my profile and visibility here, you can see that I now have the correct time zone set onto my account. It's 8:46 p.m. right now, and if you look on the lower part of my screen as well on my windows here, you can see I have that time set as well. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.